What's going on YouTube? We're Jimmy back to another reaction video. Back with another Masked Singer reaction video. It's going to be again from season 8. This is Snowstorm. Now I have no spoilers or anything like that, which is dope, you know. So I have no idea who this possibly can be. And we're going to have to just figure it out as we go along. I'm not good at guessing the people, if I'm being honest with you. I think I probably only got like probably 2 at most out of all my Masked Singer reactions correct. Yeah, so we're going to try hard for this one. We'll see how it goes. Before we get to the reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, turn notifications on, check out my merch, link is down in the description below. Social media channels are also down there. Give me a follow if you guys want. This is just request, but DMs are always open. Let's get to this reaction. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize the screen got bigger. And I was waiting on it. You can wait. I want that to have you out in your ears.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And to Nick I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, loved and I've lost.
Okay, the voice sounds familiar already. I have no guesses though. I'm sorry, I mostly paused so I can like open these gummy bears. I didn't want to like doing it during the performance. But yeah, okay. Let me go back a little bit more. But like her voice sounds good. Like I can't tell if she's a professional singer or not yet. So I'm not gonna go that route yet, but I know this voice.
Now I'm so amazing, loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Look what you taught me, and for that I'll say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. One day I'll walk down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. We'll be thinking about dad, 'cause we grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Gonna make that stuff last. God forbid something happens. At least the song is a smash. I got so much love. I got so much patience. I've learned from the pain. I turned out amazing. I've loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. And for that I'll say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex.
No, not you.
Wow! Yeah. He got you, Robin.
Good job, you good.
Okay. So like for that performance, I don't know if it's a professional singer. If it is, I apologize. Like I probably should wait to edit, say stuff like this. I don't know. It felt like she had a key and she was like trying to stay in that key the whole time, and she wasn't like trying to go like high or you know what I mean. Like I feel like maybe hey, who knows? Maybe this performance she might go crazy. So let me just shut up. But she sounded good though.
You walked into the party like you were walking onto a yacht. Your hat strategically dipped below one eye. Your scarf, it was apricot. You had one eye in the mirror as you watched yourself gavotte. And all the girls dreamed that they'd be your partner, they'd be your your partner and you're so vain. I bet you think the song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think the song is about you. Don't you, don't you, don't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with. I don't think a professional singer. I think it's probably like an actress that can sing though, or something like that on that line. You know what I mean? But yeah.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, a little bit right though. At night she's screaming. She'll make you curse, but she's a blessing. She'll rip your shirt within a second. You'll be coming back for seconds with your play. You just can't help it. No, no, you'll play along. Let her lead you on. You'll be singing no, no, then saying yes, 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 'cause she's messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind. Got the cop gun kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. The people say run, don't walk away. She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind. You're just like me, you're out of your mind. I know it's strange, we're both the crazy kind. You're telling me that I'm insane, but don't pretend that you don't love the pain. A little bit psycho, at night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind. Got the cop gun kinda crazy. She's poison but tasty. Now people say run, don't walk away. She's hot but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm out of my mind.
She had moments in that song that made me think like maybe she is a professional. And I've been wrong this whole time. I don't know. I know the voice though. It sounds so familiar, but I just can't. I can't put it together. I'm terrible at guessing these.
It's gonna be so interesting, isn't it?
I'm just an average man with an average life. I walk from 9 to 5. Hey, hell, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Why everybody doing that? Is that like an actual dance to this song and I don't know about?
Watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? I always feel like somebody's watching me. Ooh, oh, oh. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? Comparisons are easily done once you've had a taste of perfection, like an apple hanging from a tree. I picked the ripest one. I still
my goodness.
got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, what you would do.
Do I need to add this to my reaction list? This song sounds dope.
Thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes. Now the lessons learned, I touched and I was burned. Oh, I think you should what you would do if you burst in the door and take me away. No more mistakes, 'cause in your eyes I'd like to stay.
See, once again, I'm convinced that maybe it's professional. That song was amazing, first of all, and she was hitting notes in there. Like I was like, oh, okay. She wasn't doing that at the beginning of this video, and now maybe because she got more comfortable on the stage, maybe. I don't know, but yeah.
Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah, yeah, since you've been gone. You're dedicated, you took your time. It wasn't long till I called you mine. Yeah, yeah, well, since you've been gone, and it's all you ever hear me say is how I pictured me with you. Yeah, that's all you ever hear me say.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone.
Yeah.
Not professional. I'm back. Oh, that was fast. It's not. I don't think it's professional, y'all. I think it's like an actress or somebody who can like sing. I don't know. Okay, so this person came in third place, right? Cause the other two, the top two, were up there, right? With her when she was singing this, since she began. Bet.
Stand-up comedian and roast master, Nikki Glazer.
Nah, she can sing. Okay, first I do know who she is. I didn't know she can sing though. I was way off my prediction. Wow. Okay. Okay. Who got it?
Our cool expert,
Jenny knew.
our queen.
Jenny knew?
Wow. Nicely done, Jenny.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
First of all, let's talk about the amazing voice on Nikki
job,
Glazer.
Thank you.
Woo! Yeah! You're hilarious. You're amazing on all the shows that you host and have. But singing, that was really one of your dreams.
It was. It was the first dream I ever had in wanting to be a performer, and it was squashed at such a young age, and it just became something that was not attainable to me. So when this opportunity came up, it was so perfect because I think what held me back was the fact that I knew I was a comedian. Everyone's just like, don't sing. No one wants to hear that. It's like Michael Jordan playing baseball. Like, no one needs that from me. Like, go do what you're good at. And so this show really allowed me to, like, forget all of the, insecurities I had around singing and really explore my voice. And it's something I'm so excited to keep doing after this.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. It just cuts off like that. Fine. But yeah. I did not know she can sing. That's crazy. She was not even like in a list of people, I thought. Like at all. And she was singing. I knew 2 songs, I believe. Let me look at this list. Thank You Next, I know, and Since You've Been Gone. I didn't know any of the other songs in between. So yeah, it wasn't helping me out like with the guessing whatsoever or anything. But yeah, I had no idea it was her. That's pretty dope. I liked how like when it's people you wouldn't expect pop up and said like, you know what I mean, just people like, oh yeah, I know that. You know what I mean? I like that. Anywho, that's gonna do it for this reaction. If you have any other suggestions, let me know down in the comments or DM me whichever one is if you're alright. The like button, subscribe to notifications. Until next time, you guys. Peace.